Now in front of us we have second part of question 4. X minus y. Here a1 is 1, b1 is minus 1, c1 is minus 8, a2 is 3, b2 is minus 3 and c2 is minus 16. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to check that the linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. If consistent, then we have to obtain the solution graphically. Okay, now a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 minus 3, that is 1 by 3, c1 by c2 8 by 16, that is 1 by 2. Therefore a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So the pair of equation is inconsistent. Hence lines are parallel.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.